This is a 6-pin Standers dimple lock. I have to get everything just right for this to open, so I'm gonna try to get it open and then I'll talk about it afterwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, there we go. I just had to hit number 5. Okay. About this lock. Standers is a French company, and I guess usually their locks are fairly easy to open, but that keyway means that I had to have the pick exactly right to get the flag to go all the way down in. Also, this is reminiscent of a Testa T60 in the fact that it has tapered pins that you have to work down slowly, and you have to have a lot of tension on it. I mean, this pry bar is pretty thick, and I was bending it. And another thing I noticed with this lock is you have to have the tension bar in exactly the right place. If you don't have it in exactly the right place, like if it's too far over here, not flat, it doesn't give the tension that the lock needs to open. But that is the Standers.